Hey guys, this is a continuation of my How to Make a Discord Bot series. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a message filter that will automatically delete messages containing certain words, send that message to a log channel to show that it's been deleted to say your staff members, and if you want, kick and ban the user. So we're going to head over to our program.cs file, and then underneath the if message has string prefix, but inside of the handle command async method, we're going to type var blacklisted words equals new list. Inside the arrows we're going to type string, and then we're going to type open bracket close bracket semicolon, and then we'll type hashtag region words, and then we'll type blacklisted words dot add, and then we're going to type inside speech marks our word, and then we're going to type that again and add another word, and you can add as many of those as you want. And then underneath that we're going to type hashtag end region, and then what that allows us to do is just click a little drop down arrow that just hides that and makes our code look nice and neat. So if you had, say, 80 words, it wouldn't clog up the code, it would just make it all look very nice. So then we can come down here and we can type if message dot content dot contains open bracket blacklisted words dot first or default open bracket close bracket. Then we're going to type some curly brackets there, and we're going to put, so if the message does contain one of those words, we're going to await message.delete, so that will delete the message, and then we're going to type await message.author.send message. This is going to send a direct message to the author that's going to say, please adhere to our rules when chatting. Put a semicolon at the end there. So now I'm also going to show you how you could kick or ban the user if you did want to do that. So all we do is make a new line, and then we're going to type iGuild user equals message.author, and then we're going to put a semicolon, and what we're going to do is just hover over that and click that little drop down arrow on that light bulb, and click add explicit cast, and that's going to cast that to the correct variable type for us. And then we're going to type user.kickAsync, and that's it. So that would kick the user. Oh, we need to put an await before that, sorry. So that would kick the user. If you wanted to ban the user, you could simply do context.guild.addBanAsync open bracket, and then just type message.author in there. So that would ban the user for us. Again, sorry, there needs to be an await at the beginning. However, I don't want to do any of those, so I am going to just leave that. So now I'm going to show you how you can make it so that it will log it to a log channel. So we're going to type itext channel log channel equals underscore client dot get channel open bracket, and then we're going to head over to Discord, go to settings, appearance, and make sure developer mode at the bottom is turned on. Because what this then allows us to do is just right click our channel and click copy ID at the bottom, and then all we need to do is just simply paste that into our code. So that's a nice easy way to get a channel. And then we can type as itext channel with a semicolon. Then we can come underneath that and we can type var embed builder log equals new embed builder open bracket close bracket. And we're going to type, make sure there's no curly brackets here, we don't need the curly brackets, we're just going to come straight underneath that and type with description, open bracket, speech mark, and then, dollar sign, and then a speech mark, and then inside those speech marks we're going to put some more curly brackets that say mesh.author.mention. And we're going to type, so their message was deleted, so for example that would just say Tim's message was deleted. Then, if you want, you could put a \n symbol, which would create a new line underneath it, that you could then make it say the message content. However, I don't want to do that. I'm deleting the message for a reason, so I don't want to display what it said. So I'm just going to get rid of that. So then underneath that, we can type dot with footer. Then we're going to open some brackets and type footer is more than equal to, so that's the equal sign and then a right arrow triangle, and then we're going to open some curly brackets and type footer dot with text, then inside brackets and speech marks, message deletion log. And then I'm also going to put in a little image there, so you could do that if you want, with icon URL, dot with icon URL, open brackets, speech marks, and then I've already got my image link, so I'm just going to paste that in. Then we're going to a semicolon there, and then we're going to type embed log equals embed builder log actually is the one we want, dot build, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, and then all we're going to do is just type await log channel dot send message async, and then in brackets we'll put embed embed log, and then we'll put our semicolon at the end. So now we can simply run our program, and if we just wait for that to load up, we can then head over to Discord, and if I were to type a message that contains one of those 2 words that I've blacklisted, there you go, it's deleted the message. And if we go to the logs channel, it says Tim's message was deleted with our little message deletion log and that little image of a banhammer that I put in. And I've also been DM'd by the bot, and so it's DM'd me saying please adhere to our rules when chatting. The reason there's 2 is just from testing earlier, there will only be 1 of them. However, I do want it to say in the console that a message was deleted, so I'm just going to come down here and type console.writeLine, open bracket, and then in speech marks message deleted, and then I'm just going to put dash message content, and then open some curly brackets, and I'm just going to type message.content that's it, message.content. Make sure you put a semicolon at the beginning there before the speech marks, and I'm just going to change that to a capital C. So now we can run our program, and if I were to type one of those words, as you can see, it just says message deleted, and then it says the message content. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. There's also a form in the description below, so if you have anything else that you'd like me to cover on how to make with the Discord bot, just put it in that form, and then I'll do my best to get to it as soon as possible.